And it's feeding time. Missing two of them this morning. Mama Cat and Hercules are not here yet. Welcome to Life at Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis. And it has been a very exciting week. We have done so much. A couple weeks ago, my son was home and we decided we needed to buy a bidet. Now, when I was a kid, I thought bidets were only found in rich people's houses because they were actually a complete toilet-like. Nowadays, they have them either combined with the toilet or an attachment to the toilet. And I remember when I first saw it, I go to ask my mom, Mom, why does that bathroom have two toilets? And then she explained what a bidet was. But he decided that it might be a good idea to have one in at least one of our bathrooms. So we ordered one. And this past week, we installed it. And like anything, one thing leads to another. We got the bidet on the toilet, but we noticed that the back of the toilet really needed to have the insides replaced. Now this was a 30-year-old toilet. Everything in the back was rusted, so we had to take it completely apart, and it was such a mess that we decided that we needed to go buy a new one. Oh, of course, one thing leads to another. So we went and we bought a new toilet. We installed it, only to realize that it's taller than the old toilet, which meant the over-the-toilet cabinet I had would not fit. So we had to take the legs off of it and mount it onto the wall. So what was supposed to be a 5-minute installation turned out to be like 3 to 4 days. And then, of course, cleaning up the mess afterwards. But we have it in and it's working. And then we also had to clean out the greenhouse. We had our first killing frost freeze, and it took out the most of the tomatoes and the cucumbers, everything that was warm weather in the greenhouse. It basically took away. So I spent a couple days here in the greenhouse cleaning everything out. Looks so much better. And planting seeds for the fall winter harvest. As you see my little tags, I put all these seeds in yesterday. On that side, you can see the plants coming up. Those were planted a couple weeks ago. So I've got a staggering going on here with the crops in the greenhouse, and I had to clean out the peppers. I took the ones that were dead, I took those out, trimmed up the ones that were still alive, and I'll let them go for as long as they can until the weather gets so cold that it kills them off also. Another thing that we did was I ordered some things off Amazon, and one of them came with a tracking number, the wrong tracking number. So I've been tracking this package that was supposed to say it was delivered back on Monday. So I've been hunting for it all week, trying to figure out what happened to this package, only to have it delivered yesterday after I made all these phone calls and everything. And I get the email afterwards, after I get it, saying that, oh, I'm sorry, we have the wrong tracking number on it. So at least I got my package. A lot of heartache, a lot of phone calls, a lot of emails, a lot of wasted time trying to track this package down. And the next thing I did was, you know that old greenhouse that's falling apart? we've decided that we probably are going to either take it down and put a new one up. So I called and got quotes for new greenhouses. And the quotes are within my budget. However, one quote is wrong. They forgot to add the right size doors. So I'm going to have to call them back and get a new quote on that if we decide to go with the larger one. So that's what we did. We went to a celebration of life for my cousin on Saturday, followed that by a Halloween type party at my son's best friend's house. And we had a great time there. Sunday we went to church, and also this week my husband had his regular checkup and he did fine, so we don't have to go back there for a year. And Thursday was our oldest son's birthday, so we went up and celebrated with him, and that's been pretty busy this week. So I'm taking the day off. No, not really. I'm going to go and get some groceries and stock up my pantry some more. So have a great week. Stay busy. Keep your pantry up to date and rotated. And remember, dream big and follow that dream. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody. All right, a big day. All the cages are empty. I have no more cats in here all day long, recovering from surgery. Oh, don't forget, like, share, subscribe. If you're already a subscriber, thank you a lot. See you later. Bye.